बहुत स्पष्ट है।
And viewers, we have breaking news coming in. As far as the Chinnaswamy Stadium stampede case is concerned, the centre has approved the suspension of 3 officers in the case. In a significant development, the union government has approved the suspension of 3 IPS officers in connection with the Chinnaswamy stampede case. The Karnataka government had, remember, earlier suspended IPS officers in the case, namely Dayanand, Vikas Kumar and Shekhar, citing dereliction of duty, and the suspension report was then sent to the centre, which has now given its nod and conveyed the approval to the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms. And this marks a major setback for the officers as the centre's endorsement strengthens the state's disciplinary action. So big development there coming in the case. Let's get more details. Our colleague Abhishek is now joining us live from Bengaluru. Abhishek, a very good morning. So this is a big setback there for the IPS officers because now the centre has endorsed the stand of the state government's action. What more you can tell us?
Well, very clearly we had seen that the dereliction of police and the government is also prevailing with respect to the RCB stampede case, where both the agencies, the government and the police department, hadn't made any necessary arrangements to celebrate the victory of RCB's win in Bengaluru. This incident also took the lives of 11 people, after which the government completely blamed the Karnataka State Police for the dereliction of their duties. However, the state government had sent a report to the central government, whereas the central has endorsed the report given by the state government. There also might be chances, if at all, is there any question with regards to the dereliction of the duties, there are chances of these IPS officers informing the central government of the decision taken by the government itself, and also they might claim in the next couple of days that they aren't held to be held responsible, whereas the government has to be held responsible because the police officers of the state or the top cops of the state had followed orders of Karnataka state government. However, at this point of time, the central government has endorsed the statement given by the state government and also accepted that suspending these police officers is one of the one of the milestones that the Karnataka state government has achieved as of now. So we will have to see what the Karnataka state police officers will reply to the central government's endorsement. Will they question the decision of the central government? Will they also go against the Karnataka state government? Is the question which has to be answered at this point of time. Back to you.
Right, so big their development in the Chinnaswamy stampede case because the centre has given its nod to the Karnataka state's suspension of 3 IPS officers in the case.
Are you in control of your body? Republic Positive influencer Roma Abhyankar explains how you can master your senses and your soul with the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita.